Hi, welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now we see the project Cloud-Oriented Personal Health Record Processing in Secure Manner by Distributed Attribute-Based Encryption. Now we move on to the abstract. Personal health record processing is essential technique in human welfare activity. The data owner has responsible to store and provide confidentially to cloud storage by key management. Here we use the distributed attribute-based encryption methodology to secure transmissions of personal health record. We develop the key management complexity by proposing a unified security framework. That framework used for patient-centric sharing of personal health record in multi-domain, multi-authority personal health record systems with many users. In our proposed to work securely sharing personal health record in cloud, here the user or a patient is responsible to store the records in cloud and key distribution to the valid users, and if any emergencies happen, the doctor or user are getting the if any emergencies happen, a user without user permissions, the authority persons can distribute the records to the doctor. Now we see the data flow diagram. In data flow diagram is a symbolic representation of the flow of the project. Here ellipse symbols are indicate the project start and termination. Rectangle symbols are indicate the processing status of the project. Now we start our project. Then here we use two personal attributes known as public domain and personal domains. Here the PHR obtained attribute. After getting the attribute from the authority persons, PHR is a data owner. Data owner are creating attribute-based encryption before uploading a project records into the cloud server. Before that, we perform encryption formatted files as are attributed-based encryptions. Here we generate a key to access the particular records before upload the file into the system. Here user generate a key which is used to decrypt the files in emergency state. If keys are correct, then emergency states will be provide retrieval information. The normal users getting value from getting data from data owner through the key. If the keys are matching, the cloud servers are getting public retrieval process to get the original information of the document. Then in personal retrieval, user can get the original data through the keys from cloud server or getting a data from the original information without the key implementation. Now we see the implementation pages. Here home.java is our basic files. To right click select run file. This window will be appear. Then click here to move to the next pages. In public access, click in this icon to public access. Patient registration is register the users into the new. Here we create an account in the cloud vendor. The ages is 23. Contact address is KK Nagar. Email ID is lakumi@gmail.com. Patient type is outpatient. Now the password it at least 8 character and age should be 1 to 99. every details are mandatory. Now register, successfully registered. Now we move to the next pages. Data owner, he is a new data owner. Now click at this icon to data owner item. Here we select the username. Our name is Lakshmi. Data owner, first of all upload the files, then enter the password. Login the pages, which is we selected upload pages. Get data to get the files in the user, which files will be uploaded in the cloud area. Select the files, which is user selected files. Key generation will automatically generate the key, then store it into the database. Now encrypted file is encrypted. It will be shown the encryption formatted. This is our original files. These are encrypted files. Uploaded. Now files are uploaded into the system. Now we select view as our another pages. Now login to data owner, view as view. Get details to get the details of the details. Get PHRs, encrypted, decrypted the files and will be displayed in this area. Now give access rights. In access rights, user generate authority persons who he able to access the personal health record with the help of the key. To the name is Google. Relationships is brother. Read only. Password is Google. Store, successfully stored data. Now enter the same name, which is referred to the original persons or the. Now the Google is a person able to view the files of Lakshmi. PHR user entry is authority persons are visible. Enter the username here. Google is our authentication persons. The PHR as Lakshmi. Then password. View will be view the original content of the user Lakshmi. Now the public user domain. Here we click the public access icon. Patient's record access. Here we select the person who records will be watched. Lakshmi. Now get details, which is the persons are presently in this cloud vendor. The get details or get the user's information. Then file or decrypted files will be displayed, which is prove our security level. Now the person users are requested the persons waiting for authentication. Public user requested to the key of the original data owner. Now the data owner login the pages, then get request to get the key. Check request to validate authentication or success. Now get key, get the key of the corresponding uploaded files. Send key to send the key to the respective persons. Now get key to get the key, then decrypted files are decrypted and shown original content. Main concept to build enhancement of this work. We pass the key to every person's user keys are visible, then publish to be published the every persons which are available in under in the organizations. A main user of this project is multiple authority. Now the patients are selected, get details or get selected the details of the patients. PHRs will be displayed. These are the professional entries of the health oriented organizations are managed this way. Edit will be change the records. Lakumi. Then it will be save and close. The data will send it to patients waiting for key. Now the users have logged in the pages. In this login, a key distribution are changed as a view edit. In edit, which is used after the professional entries or changes in the original profile. Now login, get details or get the details. It will be shown. Now get key. This is after editing the key to the absence. Get key or getting the key. Then encrypted files are edited texts are encrypted and uploaded into the cloud environment. It shows the performance analysis of the overall project details. Now our conclusion: we do the project. The personal data owner or store the files into the cloud before storing. They encrypt the files and upload it into the third-party server. Then we generate only variable persons are view the original files, and the patient emergency professional editors or can change the personal health record. Otherwise the data will be prohibited to view unauthorized persons. Thank you.